Okay, so in this presentation, I want to introduce you to some of the basic differences and similarities between the two broad categories of cells called prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. So let's go ahead and jump right in. We're going to start with the eukaryotic cells first. First of all, the eukaryotes. So these cells are typically much more complex. And what makes them more complex is that their DNA is housed in a protective nucleus. You'll often hear the definition of a eukaryote is a cell with membrane-bound organelles. That's another reason why they are more complex. Well, what do we mean by membrane-bound organelles? Well, what we mean by that is there's an outer layer to it, kind of like a skin, although maybe skin is not the best use of words, but there's an outer boundary that allows materials in and allows materials out. And so in the picture I've highlighted the mitochondria. We're not going to go through all of these cell parts, but the mitochondria is an example of a membrane-bound organelle. It makes energy for the cell. And another example you may have heard of is called the chloroplast. It's what plant cells have to do photosynthesis. This is an animal cell in the diagram, so there are no chloroplasts in this picture, but it also is a membrane-bound organelle. Lysosomes help to digest and break down certain food particles, and they also are membrane bound. The rough and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, also membrane bound. The rough endoplasmic reticulum helps in the production of proteins. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps to build up and build up fats and lipids.